Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Saoilli hair clippers for men, hair trimmer, beard trimmer for men set. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: multifunctional hair trimmer grooming kit includes professional clipper and a detail trimmer. The clipper for men is adjustable blade clipper. It has 4 levels to easy cut all hair types and lengths. T-blade hair trimmer is also a beard trimmer for men that can be used on haircut, beard trimming, sideburns, precise trimming. Whether you are cutting hair at home or a barber, this set of haircutting equipment can meet your needs. The Barber Clippers is equipped with high-performance copper core rotary motors, 6,500 RPM, making the hair clipper faster and smoother. For quick and precise cuts on all hair types, without pulling hair, and help you create a variety of hairstyles. Noise reduction technology is used to keep the hair trimmers operating at less than 60 decibels, which will not affect you or others. The hair cutting kit built in rechargeable 1500 mAh high-quality lithium-ion battery. The men clipper can use 180 minutes after for 3 hours charging, the beard trimmer can use 180 minutes after for 2 hours charging. Smart digital display indicates when your hair clippers need to be oiled or charged. The USB Quick Connect charging port is convenient for you to charge at any time. The blades are finely ground to keep them sharp for longer. Our blades are washable, so it's easy to remove excess hair. It is suitable for men, women, and children. You can give it to your lover as a birthday gift, Christmas gift, Valentine's Day gift. Wireless clipper and trimmer set for easy hair cutting. Hair clipper comes with 12 limit combs, hair trimmer comes with 4 guide combs, easily meet your hair styling needs. All metal body, compact and portable, suitable for business and travel. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us, and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.